Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I want to discuss auto loans, in-house financing at a dealership versus a financial institution, whether it be a bank or a credit union, although I personally prefer a credit union because of better rates. Some may not think that, but with the experience that I've had, I find that to be true. When you go to buy a car, the car salesman and the people that work there, the personnel, are going to do everything in their power that they can to get you to finance a vehicle there. Sure, you can get 0% for 60 months or 48 months or whatever it is, but that's not what you focus on. You focus on how much your car payment is. That's what you're after. What I do know is this right here. If you go to a financial institution and apply to get a loan to buy a car, new or used, although I prefer a good used car over new because of the depreciation value, but when you go and apply, a lot of the time you're going to get a much better car payment that fits your budget versus what you would get in-house financing. And if you can't get the payment that you're looking for in-house financing, they will sway you and try to get you to go and get a leased car, which I don't recommend. And that's another topic within itself. But if you're going to do any kind of financing on a vehicle, go to a financial institution and get approved for a loan there. Also, if you can, of course I'm speaking with a used car, try to see if you can pay that car off within 36 to 42 months. Because if you cannot pay off a car within 3 to 3.5 years, you can't afford that car. That's the way I look at it. You just can't. And a lot of the time you can come out and get a pretty nice car. The year I'm talking about. So that's one thing that I highly recommend is go to a financial institution. Now, when it comes to putting insurance on your automobile, of course, while you're making payments on it, you have to carry full coverage. I myself recommend 100, 300, 100, considering how expensive a car is these days. Comprehensive, if you can get full or say 100 deductible, you're usually doing pretty good. On collision, I carry $100 deductible. I really can't see the point of carrying $500 deductible or $1,000. I would much rather pay a little bit more on my auto insurance policy and only have to come up with $100 than to have to go and come up with $500 or $1,000. So it's better to go ahead and pay a little bit more on your auto insurance premium, and it's not really that drastic of an amount when you go over the numbers with your the person that works at your agent at the insurance company. So, you just have to wait out your options. Of course you want to have, rental car, try to get, a good, percentage on that per day, up to $1,000, however they do it. And, but all in all, definitely consider a financial institution over a dealership in-house financing. To me, all they try to do is sap you for your money. And a lot of the time their rates and their monthly term, to me, is nowhere near as good as what you can get at a financial institution. I just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel. I just wanted to get that off my chest. Veteran subscribers, thank you for staying with me. If you're new to subscribing, hello, nice to meet you. Thank you for deciding to subscribe. And if you're just passing by, looking at my video, considering subscribing,